Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix printer port in use error on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, just turn on and off printer, and another way, restart your PC or laptop. And guys, still you are facing error, so just try this method. So first one, turn on and off your printer. Second one, restart your PC or laptop. And third, you can try this method. Click on start, type troubleshooting. So click on troubleshoot settings. Now in here click on other troubleshooters. Now select printer, so click on run. It will take some time to detect problems, so let this processing will be complete. Select the printer that isn't working correctly, then click on next. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps, we can fix and we can resolve problem printer port in use error on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.